welcome back to another YouTube video. So this is basically Wasps Sometimes Plan Ahead Part 3. So, here we have the wasp carcass from the first, or actually no, the second part, because the first part was a fail. But here we have the wasp carcass. So we're gonna dissect this thing with a little stick. So, first, might want to start off with the egg. So get the wasp out of the way. Right, this egg, super squishy. Alright, I'm gonna try. Okay, we have a break. We have a break.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ew.
It's too squishy. Look at it. Why is it so squishy? Like, so squishy. Impossible to cut open. It's too squishy. Can you get a knife or something? Like a little plastic knife?
Yeah. Did I ever get you a dissection kit? I don't remember.
No, I don't think you did.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Ew. Ew.
Here. This is the egg. That's what it looks like. Oh, you know what? Yeah.
What?
It's too hard to break into right now. See if you can get like a little butter knife or something. Maybe I use the other side. Just go look for it. Ew, it's bleeding out like guts or something. Ugh. Me. Ugh. Oh. Look how impossible this thing is to cut open. Oh. Looks like a sack. Give me this. Put this back here. Gonna try
Ew.
cutting this little thing open.
Ew.
It's just been bleeding.
Ew. Ew.
Open up.
Try.
It doesn't look like it's opening, just like it has a bunch of wasp blood.
Ew.
Oh God, that's a chunky. Oh God. Rest in peace, baby egg.
I don't even want to know what y'all are talking about. That's disgusting.
What is that? What is that?
It's the larva.
Disgusting. Never want to look at a larva again. All right, moving on to the wasp.
You want me to bring in a different stage egg?
See if you can go get another one. Where's the tweezers?
I can grab it with my hands.
Oh God, okay. Get the one that looks like it's not a lava. I don't know what's inside of this guy's stinger.
The what, baby?
The wasp stinger. Oh, look, it's sticking to me.
Huh?
Like the little egg was sticking, or the little like leg was sticking to me. Okay. You know what? The tweezers. Give us a second, guys. Tweezers are right here. We're gonna have to use these. Okay. Here it goes. Cutting into the wasp. Trying to get into the stinger. Okay, we have made a breaking point. Aww. Okay, we have cut off the stinger. We have successfully cut off the stinger.
Get over there. I don't trust you. Go over there. Go over there. Go over there.
Oh. Man, I never thought I'd...
No, you can't go over there because I don't trust you.
Look, there's the stinger. Straight, fresh off of the wasp. There's a stinger. right there. I'm trying to get into it though. Oh, it has the same like brown fluids that larvae had. Ugh, what is this, like wasp blood or something? Okay. My grandma has a few more eggs.
A baby egg.
And a baby egg. Let's see if these are able to be broken into. Ew, this one's already... Ew, it's yellow! Ew. Ew.
I've heard enough.
The entire thing turned to like mush! Okay, this little guy doesn't want to be devoured. What about you? They're too squishy. Like, I didn't think wasp eggs would be squishy. But
They're
you?
larvae.
Do you have any eggs, not larvae?
I think if we get the nest down. Ew! They're fat.
Oh, God! Okay,
Every pet here is fat.
Oh, God. I'm gonna try stabbing into the wasp. Go see if you can get another wasp. Because you basically have like an entire nest of these things. Oh, look at him! He's just staring at me! Like, what I need to end up doing...
Over there. You're not going out today.
Oh, come on, get the head off. Ugh. Why is the wasp exoskeleton so hard? There, got the head, got the head. Repeat, I have cut off the head. Oh, it's still attached. Look, I'm performing a magic trick. Right, we have another wasp. We are.
That one wanted to die in a star shape.
Oh, that's the star-shaped one?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, there. It looks like it has an organ coming out of it. Ugh. I mean, I like science, but I've never taken it to this extreme of cutting open a wasp and its larvae. Okay, here. We have made the head. You've gotten the head. Let me know. Oh, a magic trick! A magic trick! All right, make sure that the camera is focusing on this.
Bring it down a little more.
There?
And to the... Okay, good. Right there is perfect.
Boom. That is a wasp head. Let me bring it to you guys. There it is. Wasp head. Wow. Yes, I am willing to touch a wasp head. Oh man, that took... Oh, that feels so weird. All right, I'm gonna touch this wasp. Gonna come show you guys what a wasp looks like. Never thought I'd touch a wasp with gloves on. Never thought I'd ever get to touch a wasp, but... Whew. Here he is! The wasp man himself. The wasp.
Ooh.
Look at him. He's staring at you now. Hey, I'm coming for you. I dropped him. Oh, okay, I don't want to be near his stinger. I mean, I know he's dead, but still, I feel like he would be able to... Okay, there, the wasp. So that's what's inside of larvae, and also a wasp. Hope you enjoyed, and...
Thanks for joining us.
Yeah. Click the little red button.